Hello. Now I want to tell you about our workshop for students called Students on Stage. And it is fairly clear what that is about. But there are many, many benefits to letting your students create scenes and actually play them out on stage. I am a director. I have a lot of experience of working with students. So there are a few simple things I can do to help them make their scenes very clear and very easy for an audience to follow. And I have to say that working with students, doing theatre with students is one of the most rewarding things I think you can do as a teacher. You get to see other sides of them, and for them, it's mostly memorable. They will never forget being on stage, and it also gives them a different level of confidence and understanding about how communication works. So I recommend our workshop for students on stage.